this is Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be talking about Westmedia.biz review scam or legit. Westmedia.biz is a new enterprise that aims to help new firms make a mark for themselves in the digital space. They offer a wide range of services that involves creating a brand and doing everything which makes a resounding impact. While all of the things they do sound good on paper, you should take a conservative approach towards them because of the lack of data. We are not saying that this platform is an outright shady one, but there are a lot of things about them are just unverifiable. On the bright side, they do feature all the contact information and legality wise. They are flawless. One of the main issues with this platform is that it never talks about the pricing strategy. So there is no way to know cost involved before talking with their team. If you're thinking about using their services, then this blog post is for you. Here I will enlighten you about various factors and aspects. Now Westmedia.biz services, this platform is nothing more than a digital marketing agency. Unlike the traditional ones, they offer a lot of service and the main motto is to help other brands build their image. Digital marketing space is not as simple as it used to be. Before, any firm could easily get traction just by running basic ads, but now things are way too competitive. One needs to work on a lot of aspects before seeing any meaningful results. Westmedia.biz offer assistance in the following categories. First is marketing. Marketing is important for every business, no doubt. After all, without customers, no firm can last for long, right? In the digital space, marketing can be done in a lot of ways. From email marketing to search engine optimization, the choices are plenty. The real question you need to ask yourself is, which is the one that is best for your specific niche? This firm claims to assist you in email marketing, branding, social media marketing and SEO. Sadly, they have not mentioned any specific details that enhance their profile. In other words, we do not have a clue about how they exactly work. To be on the safer side, read all the fine print before proceeding with them. Second is design. Graphic design and other aesthetics are equally important when it comes to dominating the digital space. New firms, regardless of whether they are small or large, should give importance to this aspect as it is no less compared to other metrics. Though this firm claims to help you with designing, they have not published any previous projects. So we do not know what to expect from them. Moreover, this space is not an inexpensive one. Third one is development. If you're more into building an ecosystem or apps, then development service is definitely your cup of tea. As an individual, developing an application can be a daunting task. After all, one person just cannot do all the work. There might be cheaper options available, but whenever pricing is reduced drastically, the end output may not be that satisfactory. Westmedia.biz claims to have a team of engineers and other professionals that can help you in this regard. Just like we mentioned before, the main problem is that past projects are not displayed and pricing is not covered. Simply put, it's your call whether to proceed with them or not. From time to time, this firm has many job openings. If you are interested in working with them, then bookmark their website. Qualifications necessary mainly depend upon the role you have elected. For other associated conditions, you have to get in touch with them. As they are still new in the space, there is no platform that gives us a clear picture about their working environment and salary packages. In case you are interested, then the only way to move forward is to fill out the form present on their website and submit it on their platform. We spent a lot of time on the internet searching for any kind of user input about them. Unfortunately, we could not find anything that can be called relevant. Even on social media platforms, information about the firm is scarce and the total lack of social proof is that bit disappointing. As they are new, we cannot reach any firm conclusions about their state. So, the only thing left to do is wait and let things unfold slowly. Note that there are few testimonials showcased by them. However, the ones featured on their homepage are all too positive and there is no way to verify anyone's identity. Their contact information, there are plenty of contact details present on their website. People behind this firm appear to genuinely care for the needs of the users. Along with the contact information, they even share all of their legal certificates with the public. In case you have any specific query, then you can contact them via telephone and email, and there are all the contact details present on our official website, so you can go there and check it. Now, is westmedia.biz a scam? This question is on many people's mind. Unfortunately, there is enough data to label them. For the time being, they look genuine, they showcase a lot of promoting traits, and there are few demerits present. If you want to hire them, then exercise caution and proceed carefully. Also compare the prices with other competitors to know whether you are getting a fair deal or not. In case you are facing issues with them and unable to get a refund, then contact us via the form present on our official website. We will go over the details and show you the best way of getting your money back. Note that, as always, all of our services come with no strings attached and we never charge a dime to our readers. Westmedia.biz is a company that aims to do a lot of beneficial things in the digital space. The sector they are is blooming and they're slowly building an image for themselves. However, as they are new, there are a lot of unanswered questions about them and the authority is not that great yet. So it is better to watch every step you take with them. Share your thoughts on westmedia.biz.platform by commenting on our official website. Thank you.